गेम प्लॅनाप्रमाण खेळ केलो आणि मेळिल्ले चान्स सोडले ना ताका लागून आमी जिखले म्हण इंग्लंडाचो कोच स्टीव कूपर मिडियाकडेन उलयलो। यूएसएचो कोच जॉन हेकवर्थ म्हणटा गेम प्लॅनाप्रमाण खेळ जालो ना म्हण हल्ले। इंग्लंड आणि यूएसएचे कोच पोस्ट मॅच प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सात मिडियाकडेन उलयले। शेनवारा जाल्ले अंडर-17 वर्ल्ड कप क्वार्टर फायनलीत इंग्लंडान यूएसएक 4-1 गोलांनी मारिल्ले।
Yeah, obviously great start. I mean, we were 2-0 up in quick succession, which is obviously something that you always aim for. We talk about starting games well with the boys, so for them to do that was really pleasing. I thought the boys played a lot of maturity tonight. We had a clear game plan. We felt where we could get the ball from the US and exploit areas that we felt they left on the pitch, and we did that very well. But obviously, you know, you've got to praise the lads so much. Quarter-final of the World Cup, it's an occasion. You know, these boys are still very young, and for them to handle a big event, probably the biggest games in their career so far, and play with such sort of competence and great level, then just so many aspects of the performance we're really pleased about. We won't get carried away. It is a performance that we know the boys, or a level of performance the boys can play at, and like I said, we recover now, get ready for a flight tomorrow, and prepare ready for the next game, semi-final.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we played some really good football over the course of this tournament. We came up against, in my mind, one of the best teams in the world tonight. I thought we had moments tonight that were exceptional in our play, and at the same time, you know, the goalkeeper for England was up to the task, made some fantastic saves in that first half that kept him really in it. So, but we also didn't start the game on the right way. So that ultimately was a hard hill to climb after we let those first 2 goals.
आणि हे खबराचित्र सोपच्या पयलीं पळोवया मडगांवां मोती दोंगरावेल्या सायबीण मायचे फेस्त।
आमचे कुटुंब बरें करून दुसऱ्याचे कुटुंब सांबाळून दुसऱ्याचे कुटुंब राखून आनी दुसऱ्याचे कुटुंब आमी फळवून करून आमकां सगळ्यांक काही आसा। सोड पोरविता देव बाप आणि दूध आणि पवित्र आत्मा तुमचे आपला स्वभाव आशीर्वाद
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सएप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात। नमस्कार।